They also have the purple ornamental kale. I just was afraid that the kale, the purple kale, there's rhubarb with the pretty red going through it. And I mean, there's, you know, it's pretty endless what you can do, possibility-wise. If you don't like the fluffy thing that I've done here with the icing bag, you can use your best tool and you can actually smooth this, okay? So that you can end up with smooth tiers, okay?
So your best tool is your finger?
Yeah, that would be the one.
Right.
You can use your spatula and just smooth these so that they make lines instead of the fluffy, you know. You see where I'm going with that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's another option. I actually will take the bag and pipe in to make sure it's nice and flush with the cake.
Mm-hmm.
I just happen to like this.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
And this can obviously be done with any kind of batter, any flavor, any color.
Right. One thing I was thinking about is, you know, because I had originally done a pink, I dyed my batter pink, and so you can dye your layers different colors, you know, and dye your filling different colors. I mean, have fun with it. I was thinking you could probably use with the light colors, it isn't going to matter if you get a little bit of, you know, that white in it. You're going to end up with the brown, you know, even using parchment paper, again, it's kind of ruins the sides of your cakes, but you end up with that light brown color because you're baking it. So it's going to end up light brown. So you can actually use a pastry brush and try and brush as much of that off as you can. The other thing I thought about doing, and I didn't get to try it out, so Lisa, you have a chance.
But no one else, just
maybe,
Lisa.
Yeah,
no one else.
Maybe I'll try it later. Was taking the powdered food color, like a red powdered food color, and mixing it with the flour, like I did with the cocoa powder. Just mix powdered food color with that and dust your pan with that, and seeing if that would work.
Interesting.
I bet it would.
I bet there's all kinds of combinations. I mean, I can see if it were a birthday cake for maybe a kid that didn't want to have a lot of sugar or for whatever reason, you could have every layer different color.
Oh yeah.
It would look great.
Absolutely. You can
Very
do red,
cool.
white, and blue for
that 4th of July thing.
4th of July thing.
or
whatever
anytime.
your country's colors
That's right.
are.
That's right. Or you could do red, white, blue for any time you wanted to. Doesn't
Yeah.
have to be a specific
That's
date.
true.
But,
Veterans
you know.
Day or Labor Day or Memorial Day.
I think there's some great ideas there. So you
but
guys.
they're not ugly.
No, they're pretty. It's much prettier than you would think if it was just, you know, what they'd call a naked cake. There's some really great stuff going on here. It's very pretty. So you guys go out and experiment and take some photos and put them up in the gallery there at YummyArts. We'd love to see
And
it.
now, when you do frost a cake, now you know extra flavorings you can put in. You know how to torte and get those perfectly level tiers. You know, so that should help you in your regular cake baking endeavors.
Excellent. Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
Sorry,
there it
this is
is.
short.
Tami Utley's naked cake. Big round of applause.
Oh wait, let me get this out. No, I'm
Just the cake. Just the cake. There it is. This is actually a preview copy. It's not out yet.
It'll be out.
Special.
It's a March, April issue, so it should be out in a week or so. So it's
Yep,
American
this
Cake
is-
Decorating Magazine, and you guys are going to be getting the tutorial
right.
online, the video, but here it is in writing.
That's in American Cake Decorating
Right.
Magazine. It is. So have a look at it's the March, April issue.
March, April issue
It'll be
should
coming
be out
out.
very soon.
Yeah, like next week. Great. All right. Big round of applause for Tami Utley.
Thanks for coming.
Yay. Thanks, gang. See you next time.